Now I just opened this CR700 CRM service. Let me know whether you are able to see my screen or not. Okay.
Yeah, I can see the CR700 CRM service.
Okay. Okay. So these are the course contents we have. In the first unit, we are going to discuss about the overview of CRM service, and then the second unit we are going to talk about the install base management and objects. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me give you a brief description about the install base management and objects. Okay, install base management is nothing but which is called as an equipment in ECC. Equipment is a kind of product which is installed at the customer's place. Okay. Sometimes customers manage it, or most of the times only the companies will look after that. Only thing is it installs the product at customer's place. Either it may be on a contract basis, or it may be on a lease basis, it may be on a usage basis. And each install base will be having a unique product number, object, that is called as an object.
Okay.
Okay. And Unit 3 will talk about service agreements and service contracts. So here we are going to discuss about the service agreements and service contracts, how to create service contracts, what are the topics which are covered in service contracts and service agreements. And Unit 4 talks about service plans and service plan simulation. How to create service plans, and what are the topics and what are the content which are going to cover in the service plan. And Unit 5 talks about service order management.
What is service plan simulation?
Service plan simulation, like whatever topics or content we provide in the service plan, we simulate it. Simulation in the sense like it's a kind of testing whether it's working fine or not. See, you might have aware of this organization data determination rule.
Right.
Right? When you define a determination rule, you will do the simulation. It is nothing but you do just testing whether the rule is working properly or not.
Right. Okay.
Simulation is nothing but it's a kind of environment where you can check the output.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So
sorry.
Got it.
Okay. Service order management. Here we are going to talk about the service order, the transaction type. Okay. And the resource planning. It is related with the HCM. Okay. Resource planning is nothing but like whenever you create a service order, when you save, it will automatically blocks resources in HCM, the product details in ECC. Okay, and like we have time billing also, or billing CATS information, what we call this cross application time sheet. Okay, CATS that will be blocked. Okay, so we are going to look at all those things. What are all the things which are going to impact with this service order management? Okay. Service confirmation is again a transaction where you are going to see the actual service related products and the quantity and the sales, if any new products you have sold during the service. So those details will be visible in service confirmation. And amount allocation is like you, after performing a service, how you are going to allocate the amount for what the services you have done, how much time you have spent. Service billing, here service billing is specific to CRM, and you are going to see how to generate billing with reference to service order or with reference to service confirmation. Service controlling integration, it is going to talk about how exactly the billing and the service part, the transactions are going to hit the controlling part of ECC. Okay, this unit will show us the integration parts between ECC, HCM. Okay.
Which one? This controlling integration.
Service order.
Okay.
Service order management.
Okay.
Okay. Complaints and returns. Here we are going to talk about the customers' complaints and returns, how we are going to process it, and what kind of customizing settings need to be done. Complaints is again a different transaction, and returns is again a different transaction.
Okay.
In-house repair. Here we are going to see the customizing settings for in-house repair processing. Okay, and what kind of steps or processes we need to follow to complete this in-house repair.
Okay.
Warranty claims. Here, this is a generic procedure actually. Here, we are going to warranty claims is small topic, but it plays a vital role here. Each product will be having its own warranty. Say for example 6 months or 1 year or 2 years based on the product. So warranty is a kind of promise which we are making to the customer by saying that whatever products we create are defect free. If there is any issue come up, okay, so that issue will be addressed during this warranty period.
Is it the same warranty like when we make the material product, there is on the left-hand side, which there are checkboxes like material. As of now, I was just taking the material. Under that, there is warranty checkbox. So, is it related to that? There we have to manage this.
So this is service oriented. We don't have warranty must be created as a separate warranty material.
Okay. Means if I have some existing material and as of now I was not giving any warranty on that. Now I want to do promotion and okay, let's say company decided that okay, now we'll give warranty on this product as well. So
warranty will be attached to the product through relationships. Have you heard about relationship?
yes, like it is like means if I have bought a car that after 10,000 kilometers there is a relationship that after 10,000 kilometers you have to get the car repair, service and make that type of relationship.
Yes, no. In CRM, when you create a product, it's a material. Say for example,
Right.
you create material type as MET_FERT or MET_HEW. Right? Trading goods or finished products.
Finished products.
Yeah, and you want to attach a warranty to that. Through relationship, we can maintain the warranty.
There is a tab of relationship inside that material.
Sorry?
Push button. You were talking about that push button of relationship in the when we are doing COM PR01. There it is.
Push button.
List of relationship.
Okay, we'll see. You know, like
Okay.
when we come to this, warranty claim, you will be able to, identify what we are talking about this. Okay.
Okay.
And at the end, we are going to see the IT service management. This is an appendix kind of, chapter. And this is nothing but your interaction center, how exactly this interaction center will work, and how exactly, the IT, like IC guys will receive the service request, and how to, create master request. That under that master request, you can attach all the requests which are familiar with that situation or incidents and problems. Okay. And knowledge article and request for change, additional topics in IT service management. It's a kind of, appendix actually here, IT service management, where you can see all these things. Okay, these are the topics which we are going to cover related to this IT service management. Okay. And for your information, Web UI is a user interface where end users will enter their inputs. Okay, it's kind of GUI. This before we used to work on GUI, where we used to have interaction center, CIC and web client. Okay. And now we don't have these concepts. We have business role model Web UI. Okay. Web UI is a common platform, you can say, where if you want to work on sales oriented application, so you will be given role that will allow you to see only sales related information on your screen. Okay. If you want to work on IC related environment, interaction center related environment, a role will be given. These roles are predefined roles by SAP. Okay. So based on the roles, those applications will be visible on your screen. Only those applications. Say for example, you are a service professional. You will be able to see only service related applications on your screen, not marketing, not sales, not any other applications or functionalities. Okay.
Like if I'm an IC agent, then I'll be only able to see that IC agent business role.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay. So like we are going to see the IC environment, how to set up this IC, and what kind of changes can be done to set up this IC environment interaction center. Okay. So if you have any kind of queries or information if you want in this regard, you just let me know.
Okay, we'll be talking about service, then IC will automatically cover into that. Means what type of things an IC agent deals with in service.
IC is a separate topic actually. It's a communication channel. Okay. And there are, we need to do some kind of settings so that can be the functionality can be enabled for our usage. Okay.
So is just to clarify, IC will be treated as a separate topic?
Yes, definitely.
So in that means IC, I think there is an integration of sales, marketing and service all three, right?
Sorry?
In using IC, we are doing sales, we are doing marketing, we are doing service. So I see in all full will be covered, right?
Whatever topics which are listed under IC, all those topics will be covered.
Okay. Means whatever is there in the CR, that all will be covered.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 One more thing, like in surveys, you will be doing practical stuff like using TeamViewer or something like that, or how you will be doing that?
See, whatever the system which is going to be provided to us, and if that system permits me to execute all the exercises which are listed, as you know that each of these products or the material has been provided with the exercises with
Right.
explanations. Okay, so
Mhm.
most of the exercises and explanations are easily executed on our system. Okay,
Okay.
so whatever which can be executed, I can execute those things, or I'll ask you to execute that, because it is better always. That is the way what I'm going to do. I'll be giving you the concept, why and what is the usage of this particular concept, and how to understand it and how to do that. And the
Mhm.
tasks, I don't think like you need any help in working on that task, because task will be followed up with explanations,
Right.
right? So you have worked on CR100, you have learned CR 300 and 600 also, like marketing, and each
Mhm.
of these materials have been provided well equipped with the tasks and the explanations. Okay,
Right.
each stepwise. So it is always better to understand the concept first, why exactly and what we are doing in this particular scenario. If you are able to
Mhm.
understand that, then the task can be easily understandable.
No, that is fine. Basically, let's talk about like I'm looking to give the interviews. So there they give certain scenarios. They
Sorry,
ask
one?
for like if I take the service part. If I'm going to give the interview, they are not going to ask me these the task which is given in this gap. They're going to give me some scenarios that this is scenario solve it. So what I'm asking is, will you give some scenarios? Will we work on some different scenarios, which is real time, some real time scenario?
See,
Will we be
scenario.
implementing them?
Yeah, I got your point. Scenarios will differ always. It always based on the client's requirement.
Right.
Point.
But
See,
still, basically, if I learn some different scenarios, let's suppose we work on 10 different scenarios in service. There is a high chances that I can relate the 11th scenario from the solution which I got from the last 10 scenarios. But if I'll not work on those 10 scenarios, I won't be able to answer the 11th one.
whenever you load the ELM,
Mm-hmm.
whenever you upload or use ELM concept is for this will treat the information as alien.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you want to download from legacy system, we have LSMW. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Legacy system migration work.
Right.
Okay. We can definitely use that, where you can map it to the BP role and whatever you can say. ELM is for marketing functionalities, and YouTube that can be used to create the BPs as rented BPs.
Okay.
Okay, ELM concept is entirely different.
Okay.
So if
No,
you
this
want
was
to
the question.
upload, if you want to upload the data from the legacy system into the CRM system, then we use, LSMW
For BDC.
or what?
BDC can also do?
Business data toolset. What, BDT or BDC? You are talking about.
BDC.
I'm not aware of that.
Okay. Okay. Because this was the recent question asked by iGate. So,
Like, they can ask you any questions. The interviewer, see, I'll take interviews. If I come across such kind of scenario, say, which I didn't hear, and if I want to have some kind of clues, then I may pose those questions. You may not hear that.
right.
Okay. So it is always, like how much you are confident in your topic. If you know about the ELM concept, then you can, quickly tell him that, this is meant for some other application. If you want to download or upload the data from any other system, then we have LSMW. LSMW is very much proven application. And ELM, by using this ELM, uploading the data into the CRM system, we need to use the CSV format, and we have lots of bugs in that ELM.
Okay.
Okay. Still, it is a kind of painful application.
So in real time, instead of ELM, we are using LSMW.
LSMW only.
Okay. Okay. No, I thought LSMW is only used in ECC.
No, in CRM also we use that.
Okay. No, I was thinking that.
Okay.
Okay.
So okay, it seems we have to finish this.
Okay.
And I'll inform Karthik my availability timings. If you have any kind of questions, you can pose this to Karthik. Okay.
Okay. And just a minute, means what will be the duration of this course?
Like duration will be 40 hours, 35 to 40 hours, based on our availability and based on our understanding level.
So it will be 7 days a week or what? Means weekend or weekdays?
See, boss, I make it clear. Like I'm a working person. Okay. And most of the times, normally people would think, you are aware of this IT industry, right?
Yeah.
We need to fetch our working hours.
Right.
Okay. So it depends. That's the reason why I'm telling you clearly. Okay. It always depends on the availability. If I am available, then that definitely will have a session. Most of the times, 5 days in a week.
5 days in a week.
Yeah.
So just as of now, means you will be available in the morning or in the evening?
In the evening, that will be better, but morning also I have sessions. Okay, it's not like I don't have any sessions in the morning. I do have sessions in the morning, but those guys are also working nature, and the classes have not been done from last 1 week because other guys are working in night shifts. So it is like it is kind of how you are going and how I am going. It is a mutual understanding. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I got beep. Can you type? Okay, we have to go to office. Okay, so I will talk this in detail later. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rahul.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you.
Bye.
Thank you.